Hello and welcome to the Innovation for Change podcast on the impact of AI on free speech. Automated data processing techniques have started to rule over the internet. The boundaries with humans and automated decision making systems are blurring with little oversight of who is in charge. When we search something online or Facebook news feeds are being broadcasted to us based on personalization and data marketing techniques. Content that gets taken down or monitored on social media platforms are mostly automated as well. The increasing use of algorithms in decision-making processes over the internet and in our lives is creating new forms of challenges for society that is impacting citizens' human rights. Safeguarding or protecting rights in the digital age under the direct or indirect influence of robots or automated systems will require a deeper understanding of the issue and responding on a global scale. Are societal inequalities merely replicated or amplified through automated data processing techniques and decision-making systems? Given that most algorithms are designed by private companies with seeking economic benefits, human rights issues are rarely addressed in the design process. Joining me today for this podcast is Dr. Shanila Adnan, whose work focuses around countering disinformation on automated platforms and is an expert on content regulation. She will help us in understanding the impact of automated content regulation on free speech. Dr. Shanila, welcome to this podcast and thank you for joining us today. So with all the automation that is happening in society and algorithmic decision making replacing humans, how do you see AI impacting free speech?
The power of speech is what distinguishes us from other animals and from any machines yet invented. If we cannot express our thoughts and feelings, we can never realize our full humanity. This quote from historian Timothy Garton Ash capturing the central role of freedom of speech for our democratic society and us as individual citizens. Technology again plays an important role in shaping the way the media exercises their democratic roles and responsibility. The right to freedom of expression is central to informing our thinking about the potential of and threats from AI for the role of the news media in digital society. AI and its impact on society and public value is attracting considerably attention from regulators and lawmakers around the world and slowly in South Asian countries like in India, Pakistan, Nepal, Sri Lanka, and Bangladesh. Social media and search platforms increasingly dominate how individuals access and share information and ideas, and how news is disseminated. Algorithms and artificial intelligence application determine how widely, when, and with which audience and individuals content is shared. Massive datasets that combine browsing histories, user demographics, semantics and sentiment analysis, and numerous other factors feed into increasingly personalized algorithmic models to rank and curate information, that is, to show information to individuals or implicitly exclude it. Paid, sponsored, or hashtag contents may be promoted to the exclusion or demotion of other content. Social media news feeds display content according to the subjective assessments of how interesting or engaging content might be to a user. As a result, individuals may be offered little or no exposure to certain types of critical social or political stories and content posted to their platforms. Artificial intelligence shapes the world of information in a way that is opaque to the user and often even the platform doing the curation. In an era of information abundance, personalization promises to order the chaos of internet, allowing individuals to find requested information. Benefits may include the ability to access information and services in a greater range of languages or information that is timelier and more relevant to one's personal experience or preferences. Artificial intelligence driven personalization may also minimize exposure to diverse views. Savvy actors can exploit rule-based artificial intelligence systems optimized for engagement to gain higher levels of exposure, and by appropriating popular hashtags or using bots, they can achieve outsized online reach to the detriment of information diversity.
Very interesting and scary insights on our dependence on automated decision-making systems for engagement, information consumption, and content curation. The recent hate speech row involving Facebook in India and shutdown of all social media platforms in Pakistan over arrest of former Prime Minister, big tech and the modern-day nation-state bear all the more potential to undermine freedom of expression and democracy with not so sophisticated AI tools at their disposal. Therefore, there is an urgent need to adopt comprehensive legal regulations that would govern AI and negate any chilling effects on free speech, and importantly, not allow artificial intelligence to be utilized as a weapon of choice to usher in an Orwellian dystopia. Thank you for joining me, and I look forward to bringing new insight in the next episode. Thank you.